Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to tag someone on TikTok. And the first step, let's go to the TikTok app. Right now we are on our profile page, and as an example we will create a new TikTok. So let's tap on the central plus icon at the bottom of the screen and pick on the red bar to start new shooting. Later, let's tap on the checkmark key to save this TikTok. And right now we are on the created mode, so let's pick on the stickers option, and I will show you how to mention somebody and add this sticker on the video. So as you can see here, we have the first option, it's mention. You can also search for this option using the search bar at the top of the screen, but I will just only tap on this sticker one time, and later we can write the name of the account of the person we want to add. I don't know, it will be, for example, F. And later we can smoothly select the needful account by dragging and swiping the period list to the right or left side. But we will choose our friends, who are the first one. So let's click on the first account. And right now we will mention our friend. Don't forget that you can also adjust this edit sticker by rotating it to the side you want, or just increasing or decreasing the sticker. So I will set the sticker in this way, and later let's press on the next button to save these changes and post or set this created TikTok to the draft section. Right now also we have such an option like friends. It's another way to mention someone and to tag someone to your TikTok. Let's tap on this feature. Right now we have the same list of our friends, but if you don't want to tag a friend, you can also use the search bar at the top of the list and set the name of the account of the person you want to tag. So as I said before, we will choose the F, press F, and right now we have a lot of different accounts to choose and to tag. But of course I will choose our friends, the HardReset.Info channel, which is the first on our list. And as you can see, our friend is tagged. Also, you cannot to pick on this button, but only tap or use your keyboard for this. In the same way, you can smoothly choose your needful channel on the list. Later, when you set your TikTok, you just only have to press the post button, and right now your TikTok will be smoothly added to the profile page. Let's refresh it, and as you can see right now we have this newly created TikTok with the special mention on it, and of course in the description we have our tags. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and of course on TikTok. And don't forget about likes too. Goodbye!